How to fix? There's a problem with your download error in FIFA 23 on Windows. FYI, 1. The above mentioned error is also known as FIFA 23 preload error. The network is having problems. The download server is not responding. Please give it a few moments and try again. 2. And this issue is still under investigation. Please be patient while the devs team is taking a look at this topic. 3. If you pre-ordered the FIFA 23 Ultimate Edition or have EA Play Pro, you can get in the game 3 days early starting on September 27, 2022. 1. Keep pressing the blue try again button. 2. Check and improve your network connection. And check EA server status. 3. Update your Origin and EA App 4. Clear the Origin cache in your Windows. System, completely log out and shut down Origin. Type %program data% in File Explorer. Now locate the Origin folder. Delete all the files and folders in the Origin folder, except for local content. Now head to the %app data. Folder. Enter the roaming folder. Note, the roaming folder should be located inside of app data. Delete the Origin folder. Click on the word app data at the top of your address. Open the local folder. Delete the Origin folder listed. Restart your PC and log back into Origin. Op, http. ps://help.ea.com/n/help/faq/clear-cache-to-fix-problems-with-your-games. 5. Run the Origin as administrator. 6. Switch to EA app for Windows.